Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and at first I want to thank you all so much for helping me to grow to 900 subscribers, and I am so thankful for it, and I'm so thankful for every one of you. And if you would like to engage even more with me, feel free to follow me on Instagram. It is Miss Bennett Makeup and I share more content over there, and because my channel is too small, I'm not able to post on my community page yet, so whenever I want to ask you questions about upcoming videos and ideas that I have, I always ask on Instagram. So if you would like to take part in that, you have to follow me over there. And that leads me directly to today's video, which is the start of a new series here on my channel. I want to get more use out of my older palettes and play with them more and feature them on my channel. So I won't be doing a video like this every week, but every now and then. And we're starting with two palettes by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I asked about which one you would like to see first featured in a video, and the answer was the Alien palette. And then I asked if I should combine it with the Minibreaker palette, and more people said yes to that. So we're going to play with the Alien palette and the Minibreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics today. And now, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And now let's hop right into the tutorial. I'm starting with the color Titan on my Sigma E33 brush, and I'm buffing this color all over my lid to set my concealer. I have switched to using concealer as eyeshadow primer because I felt like the MAC paint pot I have been using before is just not working for me. It made my lids look so dry and it enhanced the texture so much, and it also felt pretty heavy, which I hate, so I decided to stop using it and switching back to concealer and translucent powder or some bone color eyeshadow instead, and it's working way better for me. Now for my transition, I'm going in with the color Double Scoop from the Minibreaker palette and the same brush I used before. And I really like this color. It is kind of a darker yellow with a bit of an orange hint to it, and it reminds me of, I don't know, of a beautiful evening sun in spring or summer when it just makes the whole sky look like fire. I love that. Next, I want to deepen up my crease a bit, and I'm going in with the shade Martian Soul from the Alien palette, and I'm blending it onto my outer corner, and I'm also bringing it into my crease. And as you can see, I'm applying this color a bit lower than the one before, and this shade is a tiny bit darker and more on the mustardy side, and I think they pair very well together. I'm taking a bit more of Double Scoop now, and I'm blending the two of them together. Now I am taking Slice on my finger and I am applying it to the middle of my lid. This is a beautiful shadow and it is basically the same color as Double Scoop, but only in a metallic version. Now for the inner part of my lid, I'm taking Interstellar. This shadow is so stunning. It appears in a different color depending on what you pair it with. And here it is looking like a very light golden color and I really love it. For the outer corner, I'm going in with the color Probe. I'm again applying the shadow with my finger and this is a stunning duochrome. It has a dark brown base to it and then it shifts to a dark green or dark teal color. And I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush to blend this color out. And because it has this dark base to it, it blends out very easily. Now I'm just reapplying the two other metallics and I think it's looking pretty good so far. Now I'm going to apply the color Area 51 from the Alien palette as a liner and I'm using my new angled eyeliner brush from Essence. I'm not doing a wing, I just want to add a bit of definition to my upper lash line as well as adding some bit of purple to it. Now I'm taking the same color on my Morphe JH38 brush and I'm buffing it onto my lower lash line. Then I'm taking a bit of Foreplay from the Minibreakerpalette and I'm blending it out. For my inner corner, I'm applying the color Pluto from the Alien palette. And this is my favorite shadow for an inner corner highlight. I think it is so beautiful. Now I'm going to apply a bit more of Slice to the inner part of my lower lash line to tie it all together. And I'm using my Morphe M213 brush for it. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and some eye pencil off camera and I'll be right back. Now here's our finished look. I love these colors together. When I started this look, I haven't been so sure where it would take me, but I kind of love it. Let me know down below what you think of it and if you would like to see more older palettes featured on my channel. The Alien palette is still one of my favorite palettes in my collection. and I just haven't reached for it in a long time, so I'm happy to bring it out again. And the Mini Breaker palette, on the other hand, is a very cute little companion palette, and I love combining it with other palettes, like we did today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day.